tribute to our dearest Omel. Forever loved, forever remembered.
Walang sino man ang nabubuhay para sa sarili lamang.
I wish heaven had visiting hours para makamusta ko man lamang siya at masabi yung mga pinagdadaan ng kong problema. Yung sakit na mawalan ka ng mahal sa buhay. That is an unexplainable pain. And I'm telling you, many of us are experiencing that kind of pain. The pain of longing. The pain of losing a loved one. Ang sakit ng pagkawala ay minsan hindi mawawala. Pero araw-araw pwede kang bumangon. Hindi dahil gusto mong makalimot. Pwede kang bumangon para piliin mong mabuhay sa alaala ng mga tao mahal mo sa buhay. Ang pinakamalalim na pagmamahal ay yung nagpapatuloy ka sa iyong buhay kahit wala na ang iyong mga mahal.
Tayong lahat ay tinipon ng Diyos na kapiling niya. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed.
Kung napapanood mo ito, baka wala na ako sa tabi mo, pero sana malaman mo na punong-puno ng pagmamahal ang puso ko dahil sa'yo.